Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The SN2, substitution nucleophilic bimolecular, reaction proceeds through a single concerted step in which the nucleophile attacks the electrophilic carbon simultaneously as the leaving group departs. There is no intermediate. The transition state involves both the nucleophile and the electrophile, the substrate. Reasoning: because both the nucleophile and the electrophile are involved in the single rate determining step, the rate depends on the concentration of both species. This gives a second-order rate law overall. Rate is equal to K, electrophile, nucleophile. The bimolecular in SN2 directly refers to this second-order kinetics involving two species in the transition state. Why other options fail? Option A, rate is equal to K, electrophile, describes a first-order process dependent only on the substrate, which is characteristic of SN1 reactions where the rate-determining step is unimolecular ionization of the substrate. Option C, rate is equal to K, nucleophile, who has no chemical basis for SN2, the nucleophile alone does not appear twice in the rate-determining step. Option D, rate is equal to K, electrophile, who also has no basis. Two molecules of electrophile are not involved in the SN2 transition state. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.